we'll show you the entire demo and all. As the GC takes a lot of time, similarly HPLC also is a tedious process. And this instrument we have procured in 2013. And actually it can work on dual mode. One is the HPLC for separation and second is also semi-preparative work we can do. So we have a separate detector for that. Okay, so this as the Dr. A. Ramesh Kumar has told you people that you can have either 2 pumps or you can have 4 pumps. So this is an HPLC with 4 pumps. Okay, but then it is a choice. You can use 3 pumps, you can use 2 pumps, or you can use single pump. That is a different thing. Now, जब पहले जो पुराने इंस्ट्रूमेंट थे जो आपने अगर कभी देखे होंगे उसमें there we had this one. You know, there was an integrator which HPLC which I have used during my student time. It had an integrator. Okay, and in that integrator we used to plot peaks. There was a printer and as the signal from detectors were coming and we used to plot a signal, and that was a UV visible detector. But this detector is PDA detector. That is, you can go for multiple wavelength analysis, and that is why multiple compounds can be analyzed using this detector. That is the advantage. Okay, now so 4 pump, this is the detector. Okay, then you have an injector. This is the injector, and this is this is the injector. This is the injector, and जैसे मैडम का था कि डायरेक्ट जाता है क्या, ये इंजेक्टर के पीछे एक लूप होता है. ओके, एक ट्यूबिंग होती है. वो ट्यूबिंग ये इंजेक्टर से अटैच होती है और वो ट्यूबिंग अलग अलग वॉल्यूम की हो सकती है. 10 माइक्रोलीटर, 20 माइक्रोलीटर, 100 माइक्रोलीटर. तो यू गेट इट व्हेन यू परचेज इंस्ट्रूमेंट. इफ यू रिक्वायर you get desirable microliters of sample which can be injected. So especially when you are going for separation, the volume of sample to be injected is a small volume. 10 or 20 microliter is more than enough. But when you are going for preparative or semi-preparative kind of thing, that time you require the volume to be injected in a high amount. Okay, large volume needs to be injected, not only from the injector, but also the detector should have a flow cell of a larger volume. Okay, so the flow cell here is of 10 ml. Okay, and then the flow cell which you get for semi-preparative and all, that will be for 40 ml. Okay, so this is one thing, and then injector. Then you have a column. Okay, column. They will connect the column and show you. See, this is a column. Okay, and as sir told that there is a arrow given. You can see here the arrow is given. So this आपका इनलेट से आउटलेट में इस डायरेक्शन में आपको कनेक्ट करना है वो दिखाता है. सो दिस इज द कॉलम. दिस इज माय 25 सेंटीमीटर कॉलम एंड इट्स इंटरनल डायमीटर इज 4.6 mm. Okay, and its particle size is 5 micrometers. Okay, so this is an C18 column, octadecal सिलेन. जो सर ने बताया था C8 और C18 कॉलम होता है. डिपेंड्स ऑन जो आपका मतलब सिलिका के ऊपर जो the hydrophilic layer which you are putting, that will govern whether it is C18 or C8. So these are C18. Similarly, you can get 8 centimeter long. This is 25 mm or 25 centimeter. Okay, that is column. And then we have 8 also ना, छोटा वाला भी है लेकिन वो निकाला है. अच्छा, वो अटैच किया हुआ है तो वो आप लोग देख सकेंगे. Okay, so you have ferrules here. Ferrules, with the help of ferrules, these are the inlets. Okay, inlet and outlet. So with the help of ferrule you need to fix it. Okay, and then it goes into the detector, and after detector, after it is detector you have an outlet. So outlet is collected over here. Okay, so usually whenever you are using column, okay, you must have observed that method development may require the involvement of water as well as solvents, polar solvent, because this is a reverse phase HPLC. So it can require, you may use methanol or you may use acetonitrile. Okay, and then there is also a trend of using the buffers. But then the use of buffer, if you are making, the disadvantage goes is that there is lot of back pressure. जो प्रेशर होता है यहाँ पे वो आता है, ये प्रेशर बहुत हाई हो जाता है फिर. और बहुत हाई प्रेशर होने से एक प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, द फेर्यूल में गेट डिटैच फ्रॉम हियर इफ इट इज अ प्लास्टिक फेर्यूल. You have that also. Stainless steel ferrules also you can use to connect this with the tubings. Okay, but then उसको खोलना stainless steel को, it is itself a task. Okay, so plastic ferrules are like more convenient, and if it is too high then that possibility can also be there. Okay, so this is in general instrumentation. ये बताएंगे आपको और, क्योंकि लोग काम करते हैं तो इनको मतलब they know how to develop method and everything. So today we'll show you a mixture of three components. So we'll show you like how you can first of all know what is the retention time for a particular compound. If you have a mixture of three compounds which are being separated, you should also know which peak corresponds to which, in the chromatogram, which peak corresponds to which compound out of these three. So how that is done? So what we do is basically we inject a pure compound, single pure compound into the system first. So it will come out at a particular time depending on the partitioning its affinity towards the stationary phase or towards the mobile phase. Okay, and then what would happen? It will give a retention time. So like for example, they are going to show today gallic acid. So if you are injecting pure gallic acid, it will come out of the column in 4 minutes, around 4 minutes something. Okay, so that means the retention time of pure gallic acid is 4 minutes. Okay, and now when you inject the mixture, if you are getting a peak at 4 minutes, okay, we'll come to know that may correspond to gallic acid. But in order to further confirm it, ये तो pure हो गया तो अलग बात है, pure compounds का आपने mixture बनाया अलग बात है. But then when you have a say a real sample, okay, for example, if you have taken an Amla juice, Amla juice, gooseberry, Indian gooseberry has lot of gallic acid present in it. So if you are injecting that Amla juice and if you are getting a peak at 4 minutes, okay, we will be, I mean, it may be a peak of gallic acid. In order to further, confirm, what we do is that we spike the sample with the standard solution of gallic acid. Okay, and then we again inject that same sample to see whether there is an increase in the peak height of the, that particular peak at 4 minutes or not. So if it is increasing, that further confirms that it is a gallic acid. Okay, so this is how they will be showing you with the real samples and everything, and then you will be able to do that. Okay, so actually I want to tell that these students, they have lot of experience of working on HPLC, and it's a big advantage if student gets a chance to handle this instrument, because then he has a very bright opportunity of getting jobs in pharmaceutical, because he has already used the instrument. This is one thing. And as I told you, that instruments, they are like babies. You need to take care of them like anything. Because today morning we were not sure that we will be able to show you HPLC or not. There was some problem which was going on, but luckily it was sorted out. Somehow we applied the force and it was sorted out. So you are lucky that you are able to see the HPLC because the problem has been sorted out. So that's why you have to take lot of care, and moreover, each column will cost you at least 60,000 rupees. Every column. And more real samples, when you are injecting into the sample, it gets on overloading. Okay, so then what happens after certain time, as you will not get good peaks, sharp peaks, you will see the peak tailing coming, as sir had told that day. Peak tailing will be there. So under those circumstances, these students, they have done an excellent job that they have regenerated the column. Instead of purchasing a column again and again worth 60,000, it is better to regenerate the column. उसको सुधार देना, तो उसको जो सुधारना होता है, ये इन्होंने इसका एक standard methodology आता है, in which you need to inject certain certain solvents in a definite in a definite sequence, and when you do that, this will get regenerated, and for that you may require at least only 10 to 15,000 rupees at the most, instead of purchasing a new column. So whenever you are developing a method, it is always better first to use a used column. Okay, so that whatever experimentation or the because it is, as sir told that day, that if you have 3 compounds, every time separating, one of my students, she completed her PhD in 2019. Okay, she had 5 compounds she was separating, and she had, for developing method, she had used not less than 80 mobile phases. So you can understand the frustration sometimes the student can have कि अभी 20 हो गया फिर भी सेपरेट नहीं हो रहा है, 60 हो गया फिर भी सेपरेट नहीं हो रहा है, लेकिन 80 के बाद वो सेपरेट हुआ. तो मतलब that what I mean to say, those who are doing research or they want to do research, lot of patience is required. Not like in today's mobile world that everything you just type it and in 5 minutes it will be with you. No, that is not going to work with research. Lot of patience is required. Okay, so they will be showing you everything, and then you have a look, and you will be, and then they will also show that if you are developing method development का जो validation हम करते हैं, for validation you require certain parameters to be assessed. For example, it's precision. Okay, so precision is of two types, interday and intraday. Intraday means same day and interday means 2-3 days when the sample is being kept. Okay, then you have to also see what is the accuracy of the method, and after knowing this precision and accuracy, okay, we also go for finding the LOD and LOQ. LOD means limit of detection and LOQ means limit of quantification. Okay, so how that is done? What is signal to noise ratio? Like I think so, LOD, if I am not wrong, it is 3 times the signal to noise ratio, and LOQ, that is limit of quantification, is 10 times the signal to noise ratio. Okay, so that all thing how you need to calculate and all, they will be just demonstrating you. Okay, and I hope probably that will help you out in knowing a little bit of the instrument because knowing in just 3 hours time is but still you will get some idea. Okay, so she is Shivali, she is